Uh-oh, Stacy's looking hard at me opening this little pill bottle.
No, I'm not.
Oh, Stacy! Oh, you're under arrest, Stacy.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, you got meth on you too, Stacy.
That is not meth. That is not meth. I swear to God.
On a quiet Friday evening in Palm Coast, Florida, a detective noticed something small, a glowing ember flying out of a car window. At first glance, it might seem like nothing, but in a county of a strict burn ban, that one small mistake would trigger a traffic stop, and within minutes, detectives would discover far more than they expected.
6137, can you turn 9? Copy, we're checking it.
Driver! Put your hands up! Out the window! Do it now! Walk back towards me! Get comms. Walk back towards me. Do it now. Keep your hands up. Go less lethal. Hands up. Keep walking back. Keep walking back. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. You got verbal. Keep coming. Slower. Slower. Keep coming. Slow. Slow. Keep the hands up. Slow. Step to the left. Step to the left. Face away, come back. Come back. Slower. 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 Stop.
The driver was identified as 55-year-old Stacy Pringle, and passenger was 47-year-old Christian Hiley. But during the conversation, detectives noticed something unusual. Hiley appeared extremely nervous. He was shifting in his seat, moving his hands, and repeatedly reaching near his waistband. Let's see what happened.
I'm not doing anything.
Okay, stop.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Apologize.
That's like the fourth time you've reached inside.
I did not. I just got out of the car.
Okay. Do you have a medical marijuana card or anything like that?
Yes, I do.
Okay, hold on. Without reaching for it. Okay, do you have a medical marijuana on your person?
Pardon?
Do you have any medical marijuana on your person?
On my person? Like in my pocket?
On your body?
Yes.
Okay, that's what I'm asking. Is it in the packaging? Because when I'm out here with you, I can smell marijuana now.
Yeah.
That's what. Okay, so you have marijuana in your pocket?
Yes.
In the packaging that comes from the dispensary?
Sir.
In the dispensary packaging?
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you okay if I remove that?
It's not in the dispensary packaging.
Well, that's what I just asked, and you said yes.
No, I said I had a medical marijuana license or a card.
Okay, all right, because now that I'm out here with you, like, you reek of marijuana, okay? So do me a favor, just put your hands right here for me, okay? And you were moving around a lot.
Come on,
put your
man.
hands up here.
I got it, man.
All right.
What?
Put your hands up here. Don't take them off the car. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
When back there, you kept digging under your body when I was watching you.
I was pulling that beer out.
Just search them real quick, Meg.
Oh my God! I don't have any guns, weapons, anything like that.
What is the cigarettes?
Yes.
All right, I'm just gonna take them out, okay?
Sure.
Anything else in there?
No.
Get your hand up there.
I'm
Put your hand on the car.
sorry.
Okay? Don't take your hands off the car.
I apologize.
Do you understand? He already said it's not in the container anyway, so just, yeah.
Okay.
You're being detained for our safety, okay? You understand?
All right. Yes.
Okay.
I'm
The
sorry.
whole time you were in the car, you were digging around, you kept dropping your hand underneath you, okay? We don't know if you're going for a weapon or what,
I know.
okay?
I wasn't.
Now that you're out of the vehicle, you smell marijuana,
Right.
okay?
Yes.
You said that you don't have any marijuana in dispensary packaging,
Right.
okay?
Yeah.
So that's where we're at, okay?
Right. Yes.
When you carry it, it needs to be in its prescription label, bottle.
10-4.
Okay, just
10-4.
like you get it.
Yes.
That does not look like
nothing.
marijuana. Huh?
That.
You said it's not, it's meth.
That is not meth. That is not meth. I swear to God.
Okay.
Well, are you serious? That is not meth.
It certainly
That
looks
is
like it.
not. That is not mine.
It came out of your pocket.
No, it didn't.
Oh my God.
That did not come
Oh
out of
my God.
No. Oh my God.
Oh
it's right.
my
You
God.
gotta be kidding me.
Don't put that up there. Oh my God.
All right, let's walk back here.
No,
don't
just
put
finish.
it on
Just
God.
finish.
I did not. That is not mine.
He said don't bring God into this.
10-4. I wouldn't dare do that.
Where's your medical marijuana card at?
It's in my wallet.
In your wallet?
Here, yeah.
Is it valid?
Pardon?
Is it valid?
Well, not the ID. No.
Your medical marijuana card is not valid?
No, not the card. The card isn't valid.
So you don't have a valid medical marijuana card?
I do have a valid medical. Yes.
I just asked you.
I said the card wasn't. The card isn't.
What does that mean?
If it's
it's an old card is basically what I'm
Okay,
trying
so
to say.
do you have a newer card or no?
Right.
When I check the marijuana dispensary, you're going to be on it?
Yeah.
And valid?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
During a probable cause search, detectives discovered marijuana in a clear plastic bag, but it wasn't packaged according to legal dispensary standards. Oh, Haley, looks like you're in trouble tonight.
It's right there.
Okay. But just like a prescription, okay?
Yeah.
Bro, that's a chunk of meth right off a freaking block. Look at that.
Good.
What do you mean, dude? I've been doing this 19 years. You don't think I know what meth looks like?
I'm sure you do. I'm not saying that you don't. Come on, man.
It came out of your pocket.
I do not do meth. That is not the.
Are those your pants?
These are my. Of course, yeah.
I was just asking. I was just asking if they were your pants.
Rough.
Yeah, he can't possess it. Christian Hiley. Bro, you ain't got no medical marijuana card, are you kidding?
I do.
You haven't had one since 2022.
I swear to you, my wife.
I just looked on the dispensary database. You haven't had one since 2022. 4 years.
Really?
Yeah, really. And you're not allowed to possess it. The streets.
Exactly. No, where'd I get that? I got that from a friend.
Ask me from a dispensary.
Who has what do you call it? Who has medical marijuana? I swear to you.
It doesn't work that way.
People that have a medical marijuana card usually get the
Well, and you've never heard of someone like giving another person.
Oh, we hear about it all the time, but it's illegal.
We hear about drug dealing all the time.
But it's illegal. All right, do me a favor. Handle this stuff in your hands.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, Stacy's looking hard at me opening this little pill bottle.
No, I'm not.
Oh, Stacy! Oh, you're under arrest, Stacy.
Oh my god.
Oh my God! You got meth on you too, Stacy. In her pill bottle in her hand.
Ask us if we're shocked.
This is my shocked face.
Nope.
And guess what, Stacy? We're gonna seize your car for forfeiture as well. Okay?
Oh my god.
Oh my God, is right.
Detectives then searched the driver, Stacy Pringle. Inside a container attached to her keychain, they discovered 2 additional bags of methamphetamine. Oh boy, looks like tonight's party is postponed. Haley was arrested for possession of methamphetamine, possession of marijuana, and disposing of a lighted substance. Pringle was arrested for possession of methamphetamine with intent to sell, along with possession of drug paraphernalia. Both were transported to the Sheriff Perry Hall Inmate Detention Facility. Deputies discovered yet another bag of methamphetamine hidden in Pringle's clothing. She was then charged with introducing contraband into a county detention facility. What began with a single glowing ember on a roadway ended with multiple drug charges and 2 arrests.